Want this cool glitchy text effect using only HTML and CSS? Stick around and I'll show you how to make it in less than 2 minutes. First, let's build the basic HTML structure. We'll need a div for the wrapper and another for the glitchy text. Now, let's center everything and set the mood with a black background. This gives us that hacker-style vibe. Next, we style the glitch text. We give it size, color, and prepare for the effect layers. Here's the magic. We duplicate the text with colon before and colon after, change their colors, and animate them with a glitchy shake. Now we animate those layers. One in cyan, one in magenta, moving slightly in opposite directions. This creates that glitchy feel. Finally, we define the @keyframes to make it jitter around, giving us that chaotic glitch vibe. And there you have it, a slick glitch text animation with just HTML and CSS. Like and subscribe for more no JavaScript effects like this one.